Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the defogger, rear window electric, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed-flex fuel with active fuel management, wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Interior Plus package, tires, P265/65R18 off-road, white outline letter, LPO, bed rail protectors, license plate bracket, front, LPO, chrome package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.